gentlemen. I travel with a pet of mine, and sometimes it's a little embarrassing because he interrupts. I'll get this right over with, and we'll go back to playing. Come out here for a minute, will you, please?
Introduce?
Tell him who you are.
Who I are?
Who I am.
You don't know who you are?
Tell him who you are.
I
am.
What?
I am so-and-so.
You're so-and-so. I are Francisco Gonzalez Garcia de la Garza Gomez Jones.
And you are, of course, a Mexican parrot.
I are, of course, a Cuban parrot.
A Cuban parrot?
Yes.
How did you get here?
I was hijacked by a hot canary.
You like it here?
It's very nice.
Okay.
But I can't drink the water.
Okay, doesn't matter. Listen, Francisco, I'm going to play my guitar, if it's all right with you, and then we'll talk about this later, okay?
Okay. Can I sing?
No, you can't sing. Later after the show, okay?
Okay. I want to sing now.
All right.
Excuse me.
Yes.
I got a sore throat.
Yes, I know. Let me massage it a little for you. This will make it feel better.
Everybody's upside down.
Is that your Adam's apple?
No, that's your wristwatch.
You want to sing or not?
Okay. Are you Cuban?
No, I'm not Cuban.
Spanish?
No, I'm not Spanish. I'm an American.
Jewish?
Yes, as a matter of fact.
You look like a priest. A Jewish priest.
Okay, will you let me play?
Okay.
All right. Now just wait in here and be very quiet for me.
I won't say nothing.
Good night, Francisco.
Good night, gringo. A Jewish gringo.
You mind if I tell you something?
Okay.
For 6 years, I've been practicing, studying the guitar and everything to make an appearance on the Ed Sullivan Show. For 6 years. And you know what happens? All of my time has been taken up. Because of you.
You had a hand in it.
All right.
Told you wouldn't get a laugh.
Yes. Will you let me play?
Okay, go ahead.
Say goodnight, will you, Francisco?
Good night.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.